Today I'm going to go ahead and do a recipe that's involving bread, some avocado, some garlic, some sweet potato chips. It's also going to have some steak, and we're going to be putting some chimichurri and also my mango salsa. Now, for those of you that are interested in how to make my mango salsa, well, towards the end of this video, I'll link up the video where you can go ahead and watch it so you can make your own mango salsa. But before we continue, if you like what you see, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, give us a thumbs up, and below hit the bell in order to get the latest notification of the latest videos. And don't forget to give us a comment and how you liked it. And if you have any questions, feel free. I normally respond pretty quickly on it. So now, I want to show you, we're going to be adding some pesto. It has a lot of good stuff in it. And then chimichurri. Chimichurri is an excellent condiment from like Argentinians, and it goes great with steak. And then I'm going to be doing something creative with this garlic aioli sauce. And this garlic aioli sauce, I'm going to go ahead and combine it with the avocado and kind of mix it and see if I can give it a flavor that'll just kick it over the top. And then I saw this recently, tagine. And I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but I believe it's Mexican. It's not spicy from what I'm being told, but it's got some great flavor. So then we're going to garnish steak with that. And of course, our salt and pepper. The steak is going to be simple. We're just going to put salt and pepper. We're going to sear it, cook it to about medium rare, and then go ahead and slice it up. And then of course, our beautiful avocados. And these avocados, I've been wanting to make sure it's just right. And then the lemon and the sweet potatoes. So what I want to show you while the charcoal is heating up, because I want that fire to be nice and hot when I go ahead and start cooking. I have some sweet potatoes here that I already started cutting. And if you guys haven't known this, especially for those of you that are perhaps learning how to cook, or it's your first time, there's this peeler. It makes the job so much easier. In fact, you go right here and just kind of like, just peel it like this. That's all you do. And this way, you're not wasting too much of your meat, but you save a lot. And you can do your, that's how I do my mangoes with this particular tool. Okay. Look how pretty that comes out. And it's like hardly no waste. What we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and slice these sweet potatoes so they can be ready for the air fryer. Now mind you, this recipe will be my first time doing it, so I'm looking forward to how it tastes. Again, just take off the ends. And so let's say here, I guess we can go ahead and just cut them in round, just like this. We want them about pretty much just about 3/16, quarter of an inch. I wouldn't want it too thin. I think I'm going to try to keep it at 3/16, if all possible. Yeah, I guess something like that. A little thin. So here you go. I went ahead and cut them. Some of them happen to be too thin, but I went ahead and cut it all, and this is basically what it looks like. And so now we're going to go ahead and put this in the air fryer in a little bit, so at least they're ready. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is that we're going to go ahead and prepare the avocado with the aioli sauce. So let's see how that goes. That one come out. Actually, I don't even need the knife that much. So now what I'm going to do is just pretty much, I want to get a bigger spoon. So what I want to do is go ahead and just take this guy out by taking the spoon and digging it in here like this. And just follow the curvature. Boom. There's that one. So we got this guy here. You can see how pretty that looks. Okay guys, so what we're going to do is we took the avocados right there and we're going to go ahead and blend it all together. So we're going to go ahead and put some garlic too, these garlic cloves. We're going to put some lime juice, and then we're also going to add the aioli sauce. So got this little blender here my wife let me borrow, and I got it. Smooth it out this way. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add the garlic and some lemon. So we'll take this garlic press, just put the garlic right in there, and then just kind of squeeze her out. You can see it come up. And you can just take a knife. Boom. I had the tool, but I left the tool back in the kitchen. Just squeeze it like that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the lemon. So this is what I like to do on the lemon. I like to go ahead and just cut it in, put a little slit there, on all four sides. Okay? Because what's going to happen there is that's going to help it squeeze all the juice without having to do it twice. So you just kind of squeeze it around. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and mix this again. Make sure that we get all of that mix. We're going to keep mixing again. Now we're going to go ahead and take the garlic aioli sauce and we're going to go ahead and put it in there. Okay? So we're just going to put it throughout. Alright, let's see how that goes. Now what we're going to do is just add just a little bit of salt to this. So we just went ahead and put salt and pepper. We're just going to mix it real quick. Okay guys, I went ahead and these are sirloin steak. All I did was a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper. That's all we're doing to it. Because again, we don't want too many flavors on here. I preheated the charcoal and now I'm just gonna, it's real hot and we're just gonna go ahead and sear it and try to cook it to medium rare. Alright, so let's see how this goes here. I'm going to take a little quick peek. That's what it looks like. So we're going to go ahead and probably 5 minutes, no more than 10. We want it at medium rare. So alright, so what we'll do is let's go ahead and kind of put that in there in order to have it do its thing. So what we want to do is make sure that we cook this about medium rare because it's got to sit for a little bit. And so we'll let it sit after we have it cooked, and then we'll go ahead and slice it. So we'll go ahead and take you, once that's done, we'll go ahead and take you inside and show you that process. Cook the steak, and I wanted it medium rare, but it's over a little bit over medium rare. It looks pretty, so I'm going to go ahead and slice it and see what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead, just going to cut it right here down the middle. Look how pretty that is. So yeah, it's about a medium rare, medium. So all we're going to do is just we're going to go ahead and cut it just a thin slice. My mouth is watering, guys. So let me just show you how this turned out here. Let me just put this guy up here. So after letting it rest, this is what it looks like, guys. But look how pretty that looks. It's got the nice colors, and you know, we won't know unless I taste it, right? So let's go ahead and give it a taste here. See how this thing turns out. Again, we want to keep it simple. Nice and tender. We're going to go ahead and take care of the bread. So remember, it's you can do different types. This is how it looks like. It looks like a nice guacamole. In fact, even just with chips alone. Finger looking good. All right, wash my hands. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and take care of the other process first. So what we're doing is we're toasting some bread. Now, I would have preferred to put the bread on a grill, but because of time, we are hungry and we can't wait. So here we have our sweet potato fries that we did in the air fryer, and they turned out pretty nice. So first things first, we want to go ahead and I'm going to do one right off the bat, and then we'll show you the process. All right, so the first step is that we went ahead and cut the steak into slices. We're toasting the bread. So now what I want to do is first take the avocado, it's a little dab, spread it around. Go ahead and put that here. Just spread that around. Make sure there's plenty there on the side. And then the next step we want to do is take the pesto. Make sure you mix the pesto so the oil is not on top, and then kind of spread it throughout. So it would be nice if you were to get a longer piece of toast, because especially depending on the size of your steak. All right, and then now that you have that, we're going to take the potato fries, sweet potato fries, and we're going to place them throughout. All right, and now what we're going to do is take the steak, there you go, and then the steak there on the side, put that little extra piece there, and now we want to go ahead and take the chimichurri sauce. Again, you want to Stir it a little bit. Just put a little dollop here on the side. So you see how that's going? And now I'm going to take my mango salsa. You can just leave it just like this, but I'm going to go ahead and take my mango salsa and just put another dollop there on the side. Make sure we got some mangoes in there. And boom. So that's one set. Oh, the one thing I forgot was this here, the tagine. So let's go ahead and put a little bit of tagine here. And just to kind of garnish it right on top. Do I hear any ums over there? Mm. Is that what it is? Mm-hmm. How is it?
Finger looking good.
All right, so there it is. Finger looking good. So here it is, what it looks like. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget, there's some more videos here, like my mango salsa. You can check it out here. And the other videos that we've done, we got the all wheat bread, pesto, avocado with the aioli garlic sauce. You got the sweet potato fries. You got the steak, medium rare with chimichurri and the mango salsa on top. Bam.